Hi.
Okay, we have Peanut to welcome you as well.
And Tahira, both of you welcoming me. Thank you
Yes.
very much for this warm welcome.
She's smiling as well.
बटर चिकन हो या काली दाल, आज का संडे ब्रंच फुल पंजाबी स्टाइल में होने वाला है because I am at the Khuranas. Well, I have been invited by Tahira Kashyap for a delicious Sunday brunch. She is a powerhouse in her own right. She's a writer, author, director, filmmaker, mother, and not just Ayushmann Khurrana's wife. So let's go in and enjoy a delicious Punjabi feast on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy Book 4 series. Let's go. Beautiful house, I have to say.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
मतलब अब आप चंडीगढ़ की गलियां छोड़कर पूरी तरह से मुंबई वाले हो गए हो.
Fully. I'm a full Bombayite and a very proud one.
Yeah, and you know, having a balcony in Mumbai is quite a luxury. हाँ, बहुत ही अच्छा व्यू है.
Yes.
और हवा भी बहुत अच्छी है यहाँ पर.
With God's grace.
Yeah, so how did you decide to choose Andheri, Lokhandwala as the place to stay in?
Yeah, very honestly, work and kids.
Yeah.
My kids go to a school which is very close by. It's in East, but it's easier to go from here to there. And all the studios, all the dubbing studios, dance studios, production houses, most of them are just here. 5 साल के निकलते हैं बच्चे, 6 साल के होके आते हैं वापस. मतलब that's the kind of time it takes to travel.
True.
So I was like, नहीं, मुझे बचपना enjoy करना है. So let it be a 15-minute travel.
बाल बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हैं आपके आज.
I
की
was
पूरी थीम में आए हो आप.
Fully, I was like curly Punjabi. क्या चाहते हो मुझसे? मैं गन्ना भी पकड़ के खड़ी हो जाऊंगी यहाँ पर to get the Punjabi vibe. That's the memo that I got.
Yeah, but you know, we saw the Ganpati pictures at your home.
Yes.
तो ये पहली बार रखा था गणपति घर पर.
Very
या?
honestly, we started this 3 years back.
Okay.
And so I taken my daughter along to different houses. हमें पता ही नहीं था करना क्या होता है. Very honestly, नहीं पता था कितने बजे
Because
जाना
पंजाब
होता है.
में तो ये होता ही नहीं है.
बिल्कुल नहीं
culture,
होता. So we
right?
had absolutely no queue, but it was very inviting and cute. So we got invitations. So मैं और Varushka again, suddenly she's inspired कि let's make our own. I was like, no बच्चे, now it's late because you know it's already been a day. And she was like, who's kept this rule? And I was like, यार ये तो बात सच है. ये rule किसने? मतलब there is no rigidity around Ganpati is what I've seen.
Right.
So that was the day we just got gili mitti at home,
अच्छा.
made Ganpati. And then just celebrated अपनी आरती की, अपना जो हमें आता था बस मन से किया, दिल से किया. And then every day, every year, it just kept little sort of increasing. So every year we get to know 2 or more things.
Yeah.
कि अभी समझ आ गया कि ऐसा करना होता है. So हमने विसर्जन यही किया है.
यही क्या है?
टाइम कि ना मेरा मेकअप थोड़ा ऐसा करो कि मेरे जो ये चीक्स हैं वो कम हो जाएं because I had 9 मोदक. कौन
Really?
खाता है वो
नहीं,
जो
ठीक है, 9 ज्यादा नहीं है. come
अरे
on.
those bro, not those ones.
Then
Those steamed ones. I don't know what you call them.
yeah,
That typical
उकड़ीचे मोदक
उकड़ीचे में
और अंदर जो कोकोनट वाली फीलिंग होती है.
मैंने
grated.
जिंदगी में पहली बार ही खाया. And in 2.5 days I had 9. And the Ganpati that I had made, I will show you on my phone. When I was smiling, they were laughing because I was resembling that Ganpati. So I think I manifested Ganpati's cheeks into my own. And I was like, just please do something.
Okay.
Chalo. So should we go inside?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Peanut is a lockdown baby.
मुंबई आकर अभी आपको कितने साल हो गए?
A lot of people fall in love with the city पहले से ही.
Yeah.
तो I am very much in sync with Bombay now. In fact, I can't live any मतलब मुझे घर जाती हूँ मुझे लगता है मुझे वापस आना है बॉम्बे. मुझे 7 साल लग गए थे to love this place. So I had come into
7 years.
7 years to like
Okay.
this place. Very honestly, I took a lot of time. मतलब इतना तो बंदा कोई अपने बॉयफ्रेंड और हस्बैंड को भी नहीं टेस्ट करता. मतलब जितना मैंने बॉम्बे को किया है. I came in 2008.
Okay.
And then
You moved with Ayushmann that time.
Ayushmann was already here.
Okay.
I was running a company in Chandigarh and then I started working with Big FM. I was a programming head there in Punjab. Then I came to Bombay. Of course, then I had to leave my job and then I started with मैंने PR join की Percept परसेप्ट ही था ना. हाँ, I joined there and I was like lost. मैंने कहा मुझे बस बॉम्बे समझ नहीं आ रहा, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा कि मुझे क्या करना है. And then I started teaching. I was teaching, so I'm a legit professor.
Okay.
So I taught at Mithibai, UPG, Nationals College, Raheja, तो ये सब किया. We were in Malad and there's this lovely sweet society called Palm Springs.
Right.
So Shman, very funny anecdote again. So so it was a 1.5. So one was our bedroom and the half was my father-in-law used to come there.
Okay.
And so it was like almost like a sofa come bed. So it was the office during the day and during the night it became his bedroom. But my father-in-law was not very tall. Okay. Now I am the shortest at my height in my family. And Ayushman is the tallest. Okay, so now you know the genes. जब हमारी family photograph थी, जब शादी हुई थी, तो कश्यप्स और खुरानास ऐसे जा रहे थे descending order में.
So wait, you're saying you're the shortest?
I'm 5'8.5", and I'm the shortest. Who are like I told you, one is 6'1.5", my father, and my mother is 5'9.5". दोनों आते हैं बॉम्बे टू सी हाउ डॉटर इज. पहले तो वो शॉक हो गए घर को देख के, बिकॉज चंडीगढ़ हाउसेस आर बिग, यू नो, मतलब दे आर जस्ट लॉट ऑफ स्पेस एंड लॉट ऑफ एयर. एंड आई ट्राई टू टेल देम दैट आई एम अ वेरी हैप्पी पर्सन, यू हैव नॉट मैरिड मी इनटू समथिंग. मतलब इट्स नॉट ट्रेजेडी हैपनिंग.
क्या हो गया हमारी
क्या हो गया, कैसी हालत हो गई है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है,
मुंबई में सब ऐसे ही रहते हैं.
But what happened, the funny part was that when night happened, the sofa cum bed became a bed. Both my parents were dangling यार. या तो बेचारों का सर फिट हो रहा था और पैर लटक रहे थे, या पैर फिट आ रहे थे और सर लटक रहा था, तो बेचारे दोनों डायगनली होके सोए थे. It was too funny. And then they said, बेटा हम आएंगे जब थोड़ा सा बड़ा बेड ले लोगे. So I think that was a motivation for us to do well in our careers and then move ahead together.
Were there not any moments where you told Ayushman, छोड़ो ये सब यार, चंडीगढ़ जाके आलिशान लाइफ जीते हैं?
I'm glad actually that didn't happen in a way, because he knew what he always wanted to do. I took time, and I'm just so glad that we did not shift back, because if not for him, I won't have found my grounding and my career. And this is what I've always wanted to do. It's not that suddenly people say, "Acha, tum," just because he's in the industry, but then I have to tell them that I've always done theatre. I've done 10 years of theatre in Chandigarh, and these are my roots: performing arts, directing a play. I've been doing it ever since.
So Tahira, let's play a fun game. मैंने अपने Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 के AI Object Eraser से आपके कुछ images में कुछ चीज़ें erase कर दी है. Now you have to guess मैंने क्या erase किया है, and of course share memories with it.
Alright, you know I am one of those kids जो nerds नहीं होते हैं कि मुझे first आना है. ये this is pressure for me कि मुझे अब इसी में first आना है.
Are you ready?
Yeah. So yes, like I said, I used to love doing theatre, and I'm here a princess wearing a pink gown and a very funny crown and ganda sa makeup. But I was a queen here.
और क्या missing है इस फोटो में?
मैं missing हूँ in that costume which I said.
That's you?
Yeah.
I think you look very pretty. कहाँ गंदा सा
What
makeup,
rubbish! I look so funny with a funny crown. But yeah, I still love theatre.
तो आप acting करते थे?
Yeah. I used to.
So why didn't you pursue that?
No, I'm very bad.
Next one.
Oh, so this is, I'm pregnant with Varushka, and Virajveer is kissing my tummy, is kissing his sister.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Such a priceless picture this is.
It is.
Who's missing here?
कोई भी missing नहीं है, मैं अकेली थी यहाँ पर तो.
नहीं. Left में.
Oh, this is how I put it. The original one just had me, and then of course I cropped it with my mom. Yeah.
ये क्या हो रहा है?
ये हम अब मिसिंग क्या है इसमें?
बताओ आप, कुछ तो मिसिंग है.
हाथ में चकना चुकना है, कुछ तो भी है. Eating. I'm always eating, perpetually eating, obsessed with food.
Let's see.
कटोरी.
क्या है ये?
Popcorn या कुछ chips होंगे.
ये क्या था? Was it like a house party?
It was a house party, and I think it's a very candid picture. Yeah, we were dating at the time, और ये हमारी maximum dating होती थी. Still
How old were you?
Yeah, we must be 21.
अच्छा, who proposed?
He proposed. And then he insisted that I respond and reciprocate in the same call. So yeah.
But I've heard a story where you and your friend, both of you had a crush on.
We did. But you know what? We had. तो क्या था during that time? आप physics tuition है, आपकी chemistry है, biology है, तो हर एक उस पे ना ट्यूशन में हमने अपने क्रशेस रखे हुए थे, ये वाला क्रश इस ट्यूशन का, ये वाला क्रश इस ट्यूशन का, तो फिजिक्स का ये था, एंड दे वर अबाउट लाइक 70 kids.
Right.
So I never knew his name, so I thought his name is Abhishek because he was taking test papers, so I thought that's his name, and we would have never ended up talking to each other till the time. Actually, I feel this is very mystical, and God has a big hand to play.
Yeah.
Because his father invited my father for a dinner, and I had no clue कि हम किसके घर जा रहे हैं. And the entire year we had a crush.
His father is a very well-renowned astrologer, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
So, and my father at the time he was working in the Tribune as a journalist. So my
okay.
father-in-law used to write column for the same paper, and he'd call for dinner, and then I was like, किसके घर जा रहे हैं? Like they have sons. I was like, boring. I don't know कौन से sons and whatever, not my friends. So I'm a single kid, so I called my friend. I was like, just come and we'll have a stay over, like, and we won't go for the dinner, both of us. And उसमें fun क्या होता था? Crank calls, blank calls, ये सब करो, और क्या था? Call करके बोलो कि आपके नलके में से कोक आ रहा है. मतलब ये थे हमारे जो
ये किया?
Yes. तो ये थे हमारे, and क्योंकि थोड़े बड़े हो गए थे तो फिर कुछ नंबर थे, तो फिर blank calls दो boys को, ऐसा कुछ. That was the agenda for the night. But then she was like, no, my mother has said that you're going to astrologer's place. And that time we were sitting for our, the PMT exam, science. So let's get to know about our future. I was like, oh, how boring. So we entered and I saw this Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum kind of poster where that's his mom, dad, and both the brothers are standing like this, very royal. I was like, oh, ye to cool, because we didn't know his name. So I called him Coolio. And I was like, ye to Coolio. And it was pretty much an andaz apna. And she was looking at him. He was coming out and I was looking at the picture. She was like, wo to yahin par hai. Maine kaha, haan, yahin par hai photo. Maine kahti, nahi, yahin par hai. And as luck would have it, I still won't have spoken to him. But that night, he sang. And I think you try to look for partners who sort of have some qualities of your father. And my father is a classically trained singer, so I've always enjoyed music. And that day, that boy sang, and he won my heart.
Oh, such a sweet love story. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है?
Oh, so I am directing a film. There's a short film called Quarantine Crush, and I am choreographing few kids who are playing marbles, and the name of the film was Quarantine Crush, and it was during quarantine. You can see all of us were wearing masks.
Yeah.
Oh, we are, that's, the missing person is Mr. Khurana. This is in San Jose, I think. And I had just delivered Varushka, and I think she must be 7-8 months, and I had taken this 2-day trip with him out here. Yeah, so he's the one who's missing.
Okay, let's see.
मैं उसको भगा के लेके जा रही हूँ.
But what is he doing?
He is. I am eloping. मैं उसको भगा के लेके जा रही हूँ. DDLJ हो रहा है यहाँ पर. थोड़ा reverse order.
Okay, here.
This is a memory etched in my heart, in my life forever. My first feature film. It was shot one, day one. Sharma ji ki beti.
Wow.
DOP Rakesh, director Tahira Kashyap Khurana.
You're right.
Dude, सब कुछ ही बोल दिया. Scene number नहीं बोला बस.
शर्मा जी की बेटियां जो मुंबई मूव हुई हैं and how lives have changed, right?
Yes.
When you moved, आपको भी यही लगा सब हमेशा जल्दी में होते हैं, rush में होते हैं. How much of it is derived from your personal experiences?
A lot of it, I think. The first film actually comes from a place of either observation or experience, and experience or observation at very close quarters. So Kiran's life, who's played by Divya Datta, the lovely, effervescent, she's so fun and appreciated a lot in the film, as are the other characters. That she brought in the innocence of a Punjabi person who's just shifted to Bombay, who really wants to be in sync with the city, and is just so lost because she can't understand, can't fathom why is everybody in a rush. Even if you press the button of the elevator, you're restlessly waiting for it. You can also अपने time पे ही आएगी lift. मतलब why would you just go up and down? So I came from Chandigarh. It's a fairly complacent city. वहाँ पर सब relax है. 8 बजे के बाद कोई काम नहीं करेगा. 7 बजे के बाद भी नहीं करेगा. प्लम्बर को भी बुलाओगे ना, वो बोलेगा घर पे पैसे रखो. मैं जा रहा हूँ. मुझे नहीं काम करना. तो मैं उस जगह से आ रही थी. And suddenly here, I think that feeling more than any memory, because it's of course a script. It's written and it's fiction, but the memory stayed and that lingered, and that has been brought out. And I think that goes back to your first question initially, which is that how long did it take you to like Bombay?
Yeah.
7 years, and it's depicted by the character Divya herself.
बट अभी कुछ तो रब ऑफ आप पे भी हुआ होगा, आप होते हो जल्दी में, और डू यू स्टिल हैव अ लिटिल चंडीगढ़ लिविंग इन
Yeah, no, I
मुंबई?
think I'm corrupted now. I'm little corrupted by the city and the professionalism, which I really like actually. That's
Yeah.
one thing that you really, really admire.
Mhm.
And also with why you want to work here, you know, like nobody says no to come. Like I have never said no to work, and I have not seen anybody else say no to work, which is amazing.
Yeah, but I hope आपके अभी खाने पीने में वो सारा कुछ ऑथेंटिक है, वहाँ कोई करप्शन नहीं हुआ है.
Not at all. Oh, that doesn't say. Even my lovely cook, chef Renuka, is from the north.
Oh,
So she brings in
amazing.
all the flavors of north, and I would love for you to taste हमारे घर का खाना.
Wait, तो
Completely.
क्या है आज मेन्यू में?
So कैसे बोलूं? जैसे बेटे बोलते हैं काली दाल ना 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 ना.
नहीं, अच्छे खाने के बाद एक कमरा मिल सकता है, क्योंकि 3-4 घंटे तो
बिल्कुल,
सोना है मुझे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
आयुष्मान को बता देना इस कमरे में कोई सोया हुआ है, बाद में आना.
100%. It's all ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's begin the Sunday brunch. किससे शुरुआत कर रहे हैं हम?
This is lassi.
लस्सी.
So-
ओहो, शुरुआत ही
Please
लस्सी
अब
से हो
कैलोरी
रही है.
कूलरी मत देखना यार.
नहीं,
मतलब
नहीं, मैं तो कभी नहीं देखती.
हाँ, बस. I
आप
also
आपका
want to
क्या
ask
plan
you,
है?
you've done so many of these episodes and shows. तो how do you remain so thin यार?
यार ये गुड मेटाबॉलिज्म ही है बस, बाकी वर्कआउट तो मैं नहीं करती.
Then I hate you and I hate my husband because it's just such, people are so blessed to have great metabolism, yeah. Metabolism, like how some people call it, to be fancy.
चलो शुरू करें.
Cheers.
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 चंडीगढ़ अगर मैं आऊँ
हम्म.
तो कौन सी जगहों पर आप मुझे लेकर जाओगे?
इतनी सारी जगहें हैं, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू, हर घर और हर एक रेस्टोरेंट, हर एक ढाबे में खाना अच्छा मिलता है. देयर इज नथिंग नोन एज बैड फूड इन नॉर्थ. सो इफ यू वांट टू गो इनटू अ ढाबा स्पेस, सो देयर इज द पॉपुलर पाल ढाबा.
I've heard about it.
And
Yes.
then there's some lovely kulchas that you get at Mani Majra.
Okay.
So
So
it's
growing
just
up, when you and Ayushman were in the same college, right? Both of you or no?
Yeah, we were in the same university.
Same university.
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
आप
yeah.
लोगों का फेवरेट अड्डा कौन सा हुआ करता था?
हाँ, हमारे पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी में हट नंबर 14.
Okay.
वहाँ पर हमने हर रोज विदाउट एनी फेल 2 समोसे खाने ही खाने. तो
Rolls.
मेरी एपेटाइट उतनी ही थी जितनी मेरे बॉयज इन द ग्रुप में थी.
अच्छा.
लवली काली दाल कमिंग फॉर यू.
Wow.
There was a small, again another small canteen which is called the Kashyap one. तो वहाँ पर भी जाते थे हम. And then there is Punjab sweets out there. And you get some lovely jalebi, samosa. We're very heavy on food. It's like twice a week in a house.
Really? So सब ऐसे खाते हैं? Even Ayushman, or does he have like a diet food?
No, he eats. He's blessed with a good metabolism.
What about you? What is your metabolism?
I am a Ganpati right now. Can't you see?
With food that looks as delicious as this, diet करना crime होगा.
That's true. I hope you like it.
I'm
I
sure.
hope you
I
like
love it
it.
already.
Chalo, great.
Guys, this is what you all are missing out on.
So there's some lovely cucumber salad, something small. This is kali dal. This is authentic kali dal, which is without the milk and the cream and all of that.
तो
It's just
ये
kali
लंगर
dal.
वाली दाल है?
हाँ,
क्या
उसको
वही?
लंगर वाली दाल.
लंगर
भी
वाली
बोल
दाल.
सकते हैं. Correct.
अच्छा.
This is kali dal, and this is rice. That's kadhai paneer, and this is butter chicken, bundi raita, and that's kofte.
मेन्यू में 2 घंटे की नींद भी होगी कहीं.
जी जी, ये है.
लस्सी के साथ.
It's there, and there is some lovely fresh made white butter. White makhan with lachcha paratha goes well, you know. So
लच्छा पराठा भी है. वाह.
my lovely chef cook everything. She has done this
Wow.
entire thing herself solo. So she's a rock star of our family.
अच्छा. और मेन्यू रोज कैसे डिसाइड होता है? कौन बताता है
हाँ,
आज क्या
बताओ.
बनने वाला है?
हम दोनों डिसाइड करते हैं एक्चुअली. एट टाइम्स हम से ये करते हैं, शी इज लाइक नहीं ये करते. तो हमारा सेट है. राजमा चावल एक दिन, चने चावल, राजमा चावल, कढ़ी. next time, whether the shoot is there or not, you have to come for curry chawal. Renuka makes the best curry
Wow.
chawal in North India.
अरे वाह,
मतलब मेरे घर से, चंडीगढ़ के घर से बेटर, आयुष्मान के घर से बेटर रेणुका बनाती है
वो
कढ़ी
पकोड़े
चावल
और
है।
पकोड़े
Yes,
वाली,
yes,
आई
yes,
लव
yes.
दैट कड़ी.
अरे you
अच्छा, मेरा डेफिनेशन ही बदल
which
जाएगा
I
इनका खाने
wanted
के
to
बाद.
make it, but she was like पंजाबी. मैंने कहा कढ़ी भी पंजाबी होती है.
कड़ी इज
but-
आल्सो पंजाबी. या
हाँ, पर उसके साथ से जाता नहीं है. But any which
अच्छा,
ways, I'm
हाँ.
going to. You
Yes.
must have that.
आई वुड लव टू. और कभी आते हैं मैडम किचन में या
कुछ नहीं आता, कुछ नहीं. वो चाहे मेरी इज्जत रख रही है, कभी कभी आते हैं. शीज में इज्जत रख रही है, कुछ नहीं आते, कुछ नहीं. अगर आते तो कुछ खराब करके ही जाते हैं.
मैं आपको कुछ बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट चॉइसेस देने वाली हूँ. आपको चूज करना है, ठीक है? छोले भटूरे ज्यादा पसंद है या राजमा चावल?
छोले भटूरे,
कड़ी पकोड़ा या सरसों दा साग?
सरसों का साग,
अच्छा. आम का अचार या नींबू का अचार?
नींबू का अचार.
लस्सी या छाछ? ओहो, ये टफ है.
कैलोरी पे ना जाए तो लस्सी इज जस्ट सो गुड. तो नींद इतनी अच्छी आने वाली है ना ये खा के, फिर लस्सी पी के. लगा रहे हैं हम यहाँ पर ही मंजे.
आलू पराठा या पनीर पराठा?
पनीर पराठा.
गाजर का हलवा या फिरनी?
गाजर का हलवा, गजरेला इज व्हाट वी कॉल. या
अमृतसरी कुलचा या मक्के की रोटी?
मक्के की रोटी.
जलेबी या गुलाब जामुन?
जलेबी. वो भी यहाँ. That's one thing in Bombay. Yeah, Bombay की जलेबी ना, I don't know why is it yellow and खट्टी. I don't understand. It's supposed to be orange, thin, crisp and made in देसी घी. आपने खाई है वो?
नहीं,
या-
बॉम्बे में कहाँ नहीं मिलती ना वैसे.
अरे-
तो चंडीगढ़ में कहाँ अच्छी मिलती है जलेबी?
अच्छा. मैंने बताया ना
जगह.
पंजाब स्वीट्स और ये सब, सेक्टर 7 में गोपाल स्वीट्स बहुत सारे हैं.
बटर चिकन या कड़ी चावल?
कड़ी चावल.
राइटिंग और डायरेक्टिंग?
वोटिंग टाइम. उनको गरम गरम देनी थी तभी.
अभी बस एक ही. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.
अरे हैव मोर ना. I love to direct, but you can't direct every day of your life.
Yeah.
You know, the project takes some time, but you can write every day of your life. So that's the answer. So I don't know which one over what. I like to do both, but I know one thing I can do every day. So they feel at times I have this privilege because, of course, of my husband, but had that privilege been there and had I exercised that privilege, it wouldn't have taken me 7 years to make my feature film, despite having made short films which have been selected for multiple film festivals, which they have gained a lot of credibility as well.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't have taken me 7 years. And there were many temptations to succumb to that pathway also. And to each their own, I do not judge anyone, very honestly. I don't know what my kids will do. So who am I to judge anyone else? But I was not okay taking those shortcuts. So hence it took me those 7 years to make the film. And hence there were producers who had got nothing to do with me or my husband, who solely laid bet and who solely paid money because they had belief in me and the script. And very honestly, the first person in my life that I sort of bounce my scripts off is Ayushmann.
Okay.
So and vice versa. So whatever scripts he's doing, I do read his script. I'm there in his narrations to sort of have a point of view, and
Really? Okay.
I think it sort of matters to the both of us what we feel about each other's scripts. So yeah, that bouncing board is there. We find it in each other.
Okay. How do you navigate through doing so many things? You're a mom, a writer yourself, doing so many things.
How
all
are
at the
you
same time.
doing it? I want to know, because in between I saw you figuring out your daughter's pickup, calling up your papa, and then back to the shoot.
Yeah.
Exactly how you do it. That's just exactly how I do it.
Yeah.
We just do it, man, and we do it with such a smile on our faces that
Yeah.
it doesn't even come across, right?
I think it also comes from how passionate you are about the work you do, right? And I think that has been my driving force.
I want to do it.
Yeah.
So it's, but a lot of women do not have that choice. And despite that, they're doing it. So I just feel validation, appreciation doesn't make anybody small. So if you can appreciate your wife, your girlfriend, or the woman of your house
Yeah.
for so much that they're doing behind the scenes, it'll just make their day, you know?
Yeah, but you know what happens with most women? Amidst all of these things, they don't prioritize themselves and their health enough.
True.
And you've gone through a lot when it comes to health, right? What was like an alarm for you, and how did you navigate through that? Because I'm looking at reaching out to people who are probably going through cancer right now.
I used to be like a robotic person. a robotic mom or robotic professional, or just very robotic about the entire thing. That kids ka tiffin bhi main hi karungi. I'll get them dressed up. I will go and drop them. Then I'll come back. I will do my work, and then at night I'll be up at 2 o'clock to at least meet my husband and just get barely 4 hours of sleep. I think you're just right. It's about it's very important to prioritize yourself and not feel guilty about most of the things that you do in a day. I think those feelings when they start simmering inside of you and there's no outlet with you, and these are all those negative emotions here.
I'm sure your outlook towards life, Tahira, must have changed ना. मतलब आप बता रहे हो आप किस तरह से बहुत robotic हुआ करते थे, which I think most of us are today.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Has that sort of changed just in terms of your outlook towards life?
Yeah, it changed it changed before actually this episode happened. And
Okay.
because, and I completely credit Buddhism for that. So Buddhism came across in my life in 2016 November, and it started chanting, and completely transformed me to a level that in 2018 when I was detected with the DCIS, my reaction was not of someone who's sort of lost it, or someone who's feeling defeated about it. And just that feeling of embracing your obstacles, it just came because of the transformation that happened before it. I genuinely found myself pretty, and I don't know, because the meaning and the traditional meaning of pretty is women with long hair or a lovely mop of hair. And suddenly there I'm walking the ramp. I don't think I've walked the ramp after that. I was walking the ramp and had the short hair, and then I was bald, and I really found myself sexy.
Yeah.
And I think the transformation sort of happened, prioritizing yourself, loving yourself,
Yeah.
appreciating yourself. It really happened because of the practice.
Right. So tell us more about Buddhism. I know that there are these regular meetups that happen.
Kamya, very honestly, it's any philosophy. Whether it's Buddhism, some people believe in some mantra jap, some people believe in Shukrana, which is gratitude. I was pretty much trashed out at that point of time in terms of my mental health. I was not in a good space. Like I said, it took me 7 years to like Bombay. I was
Right.
really, really lost. And each time I would come, I would end up getting pregnant and then again go back and deliver a kid and then again come back. No sense of mission, very, very lost, identity crisis sort of a situation.
Especially when you're so ambitious, right?
I'm a very ambitious person. Yes,
Right.
exactly.
Yeah.
So when you're so ambitious, suddenly when you have an identity crisis,
Yeah.
everything is sort of shaken up. I was just, sort of seeking out for a branch floating, in an ocean, and I'm like drowning. I just wanted to reach out to that branch and sort of float. Forget swim. Your external environment is a reflection of your internal environment. So if you're feeling chaotic, if you're feeling anxious, you will be given more reasons in your external environment to feel the same way, because that's what you're putting it out. So whatever you feel, you're reflecting the same in the exterior. So I totally agree with you.
बहुत अच्छी दाल खाना बहुत बढ़िया बना है गाइस यू हैव नो आइडिया आप क्या मिस कर रहे हैं आई लव माई जॉब
Yeah, I know, man. What a cool job. Seriously. And get to eat all types of cuisines. Huh?
पहले रेस्टोरेंट्स में खाती थी अब सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ खा रही हूँ
And I like it when the bundi is crunchy
या
and not like fully soggy.
अभी है ऊपर थोड़ा थोड़ा
हाँ,
दिख
तभी
रहा है
मैंने कहा था
मुझे
कि ऊपर से डालना ताकि थोड़ा क्रंची रहे. So I know the directions.
Yeah.
Director है पर बनाना नहीं आता.
किचन में भी डायरेक्टर फिल्मों में भी डायरेक्टर
बस वही आता है.
अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ हमारा
नहीं, अब आया है हमारा कड़ा प्रसाद हलवा.
ओह वाह
आटे का हलवा. ये तो इतना
आटे
थोड़ा
का
लेके
हलवा।
आई है यार. ये तो
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल ठीक
और
है
लेके
ये।
आओ
नहीं
थोड़ा.
नहीं नहीं ये ना बेस्ट होता है ये मोस्टली गुरुद्वारे में मिलता है एज
ओहो।
प्रसाद राइट
मैं अपने खाने को बोले कौन से करते हैं. It's गरम है and it's divine.
वाओ
It's गरम and
इसकी रेसिपी पता है ये तो होता है ना कि शादी हो जाए तो एक चीज बनानी होती है बनाई थी ये वाली
my mother-in-law said बेटा बस कड़छी मार दो. बनाओगे तो क्या ही.
So Tahira, of course, you inspire a lot of people, and we have one of our Curly Tales follower who is your fan, और वो आपके साथ live call करना चाहेंगे using Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360. तो अभी मैं connect करती हूँ with our fan Chintan, who has a lot of questions around filmmaking for you. We have Chintan who has joined us. He has lots of questions around filmmaking for you.
Hi Chintan.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good as well, ma'am. So what is that one thing that I need to look out for, like when I'm pitching to production houses, or what kind of subjects to write? If you can just guide me a little bit on that.
I don't know how many drafts did I make of Sharma Ji Ki Beti, beyond 45, 50. I know at times few projects take more time, but I think that's a time gifted to you for you to make your script more nuanced, your characters more well versed with themselves, and it really help you as a director. बस वही है यार, अगर आपकी इंटेंशन स्क्रीन प्ले बनाने की है तो स्क्रीन प्ले ही बनाएं, बुक बनाने की है, लिखने की है, नॉवल लिखने की है तो वही लिखें. अपने आप ही आपके वो दरवाजे थोड़े खुल जाएंगे क्योंकि यू विल बी ट्रू टू योरसेल्फ एंड यू विल नॉट sort of अपने बाउंड्रीज नहीं क्रिएट करोगे बिकॉज स्क्रीन प्ले वी नो इज वेरी there's a lot of brevity in it. Also every scene in itself is a story. There's an arc to every scene. There is a beginning, middle and end. There's a way you end a scene, there's a way you start a scene, and in the middle it has to take forward the story.
Okay, thank you very much, Chintan.
Thank you so much, Chintan. It was lovely speaking to you. All the best for your endeavors.
Wow, that was too in depth. So Tahira, it's been wonderful. और आज तो बहुत मजा आया enjoying this authentic Punjabi meal with you. Thank you so much for hosting me for a Sunday brunch.
Of course, and you must come down for Kadi Chawal too. It's the best.
Yes,
You have
done.
to explore Chandigarh with me. I'm going to take you to all
Done.
the right places. Jalebi तो खिला के रहूंगी सबसे पहले. You have to get over this yellow खट्टी jalebi out here. I'm so sorry. I mean no offense. I love Bombay, but jalebi, bro, you can do better.